Okay, we have only two formulas. Just open your notes and tell me, students. I want you all to tell the formulas. AP. For AP, there are only three formulas we use. First is TN. What is the formula? A plus 1 into D. Right? Now, if I write 1357, this is the value, students. 1357. We'll just quickly revise and we'll start solving the next question. 1357 dot dot dot. If they give 21. Okay. How many terms are there in 1357? In 1357, 1 is the first term, 3 is second, third, and fourth term. In the same way, do you know what is 21? Value of 21, which term? Can you respond, students? Directly, we won't be able to find out, right? Yeah, 21, it's actually easy number. 21, it's easy number. If they give other values, we need to find. For example, I'll take 41. All are odd numbers, so it should be 41. Okay, we don't know which position 41 is in. Right? All the values 1, 3, 5, 7, 41, these are Tn values, the total Tn value. Okay, their position, first position, second position, third, fourth, which position is the nth value? The position is nth. So T of n is the total value. N stands for the position value. What position are they in? Whether they're in first position, second, third, fourth, it goes on. Now we need to find 41 value. 41 value is in which position? That's the question asked. 41 value is in which position? So you have to find the value of n here, right? N. A is always the first value. A is equals to 1. N value is not given. We need to find. D. Difference is nothing but take any term. Second term minus first term is the difference. Second term minus first term. So 3 is the second term. 3 minus 1 is equals to minus 2. That is D, minus 2. Right? Now, T of n value is also given 41. T of n is the total value, students. T stands for total. Total, there are 41 values. They mentioned the 41 value. They've asked which place does this 41 number lie? Which position? We need to find that. So, use this formula. T of n is 41 is equals to A is 1 plus. We don't know n. We don't know the position of this 41st value. 41 number. N minus 1. D is minus 2. Till here, did you understand all of you? Any doubts? Respond, Joanna. No? Okay, till here it is clear. So there are only two types of question, students. Three types of question. The first one is n value. We need to find the position of n. That is what we are doing now. Minus 2. This calculation part is important. Take this part in the working column. Minus 2 into n minus 1. When you open the bracket, what do we get? Respond all of you. Minus 2n. What is minus 2 into minus 1? Plus 2. So 41 is equals to 1 minus 2n plus 2. Fine. Minus 2n goes to the other side. What do you get? The formula, right? Where did we go wrong? Why is it minus 41? 1. Instead of 41, I'll just take a smaller value. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13. Let me take 13, students. We'll find the value of 13. If I substitute 13 here, 1, n Okay, this was wrong here. I'll keep that same 41. What is 3 minus 1? How much is 3 minus 1? Is it 2 or minus 2? Even that you are not telling. If I write minus 2, you are silent. You should tell Mariana 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so 2 into n minus 1. Now tell me the value 2 into n is n minus 2. I'll keep the same question. 41 is in which position? 1 plus 2n minus 2. Keep 2n as it is. Shift this minus 2, and what is 1 minus 2 is? Minus 1. Minus 1 goes to the other side and becomes n is equals to 42 divided by. So this n is 21, which means this 41 is in which position? It's in the 21st position. Is this clear? All of you understood how to find n value? 21. Now, this 41 is not given. 41 is not given. The second type of question, 41 is not given. Okay, they've just given the 4 numbers like this. It's in sequence, arithmetic progression. And they've asked us to find which number comes in for 21st position. So, the first position 3, second position, third position 5, fourth position 7. In the same way, at which position, at this 21st position, what is the number? That is what they've asked. We already know the answer 41. Let's cross check. We already know it is 41. So which position is nothing but the nth term. Nth term is what they have given 21. This is n value. So here we need to find the t of n value. We already know it is 41. Let's cross check. A value is 1 plus n value is 21 minus 1. Difference is same 2. 1 plus 21 minus 1 is 20. What is 20 into 2, students? 20 into 2 is 40. What's the answer? 40 plus 1 is? Are we getting the value 41? Right? So these are the two types of question. One to find n value and the other one to find tn value. Okay, next, sum. Same question. We found all the values, students. We found the values. Now what the next question is, let this 21 be as it is, 41. Okay, now S of n. In S of n is nothing but this 1, 3, 5, 7 up to they give a value. Up to 21 values. So total how many values are there now? Now how many values are there, students? Now there are only 4 values. Up to 21 you have to take. Up to 21 we need to take and add them. That is the question. Sum. Sum of n terms. N is up to 21. So n is equals to 21. We know the answer would be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 up to 41 divided by total value. Not divide. If you just add, what's the answer? This is what we need to check. It would take lot of time if you manually do it like this. If you just write like this without formula. So let us check the answer. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 up to 41. If you add, what's the answer we get? Right? Here they won't give 41. Instead of 41, they are given 21. 21 terms, which means up to 21 terms. N is equals to 21. Tell me S of n formula, students. Check your notes and tell me half into what is S of n formula? N by 2 or half? N by 2, then whole power 2a 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Is it correct? All of you will check. Do you have this formula with you all? Joanna, Lemula, Mariana. Make a note. This is the only formula. Sum. Okay, fine. Now sum of S of n is equals to n value is 21 divided by 2 into 2. A is same. A, N, D, All these values are same. A is the first value 1 plus n is 21. They've already given 21 minus 1. Difference is same. 3 minus 1 is 2. Fine. In order to find the sum, what are the values they've given students? From this question, what are the values we're able to find? All of you will unmute and answer. From this question, what are the different values we're able to find? Are we able to find first value? A. What is student? What is A? 1. I'll tell you how to differentiate. A is 1. Next. Are you able to find D value difference? What is difference? 1, 2. Very good. What about N value? Up to which number you have to find up to? 21. But we are not able to find Tn, right? Tn 21 value, we don't know what it is, right? We don't know what the 21 value is, students. This is not required. For this sum, only these three values are required. I'll tell you one more formula where n will not be given. Then we use two types of formulas. That's the last concept. Okay, remember this. First type, in order to find the sum, n value will be given. Up to 21, such things. T of n is not given. We know it is up to 21, but that value is not given. Okay, value is not given. So try to understand this. Next, we'll start solving. 21 divided by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus 20 into 2 is 40. What's the answer, students? What is 20? 21 plus, yeah, what is 21 into 21 square is? Tell me, 21 square is 441, right? The answer is 441. If you add all the numbers from 1 up to 21, what do you get? 441. Is this clear? Did you understand? Okay, now I'll tell you what the 21st. Look at, let me take this 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. How many terms did we add, students? How many terms did we add here? 4. Like this, how many terms you have to add? Total, how many terms are there in the last? Up to 21 terms. Now tell me, what pattern does this follow? 1, 3, 5, 7, next 9. All are odd numbers. 9, 11, 13, 15, next 17, 19, 21, 20. No, no, till 21 numbers. How many numbers are done so far, Naomi? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Only 12, right? Concentrate here, students. You don't have to write anything. Only 12 I have written. 13th number is 25. What is 14th number? 27. Like this, how many numbers I have to write? Up to 21 numbers. Okay. So it doesn't mean you should stop up to 21. That's not the meaning. In this pattern, 21 numbers you have to write. So 27, 29, 31, 33, 35. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Only 18 numbers are done. 18, 19. Next. After 37, how does the pattern follow, students? 39 and 41. Is it clear? Now did you understand what is up to 21 meaning? Yeah, it's not up to 21 numbers, students. 21 terms has to be present in this sequence. 3, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We have 21 such numbers. Now you all will understand. If you just keep trying, if you're just doing the questions, you won't understand. This is how you have to write. That's the reason I've written it. Okay. So in the actual question, only 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 was given. We had only 4 terms. The question says, add up all these terms up to 21 terms, not up to 21 number, up to 21 terms, we have 41. Fine. Now I'll just tell you. If you just add everything, 1 plus, look here, 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. This is the meaning. You keep on adding all the numbers, the total will be 141. From 1 to 41 you add, the total should be 441 is the answer. Is this concept clear? All of you understood? 441. Okay. Here, what was given students? Tn value or n value? What is 21? It is just the number of terms, right? Up to 21 terms. The next type of question, what they would do is, they will not mention 21 value students. They will ask you all to find the sum. They will not mention this up to 21 terms. Instead of that, what they'll do, they'll straight away just give the last value. First value will be given with few numbers and the last value is 41. They will just directly mention the 41st term, comma 41. This is not n value, this is t of n value. This is the term which they have mentioned, last term. This 41 lies in the 21st position. That is the n value. Just a minute. Okay. This 41 lies in the 21st position. In the previous question, only that position was given. But now position is not given, students. Position is not given. Direct 41 value is given. Let me erase all this. In question, whatever they have given. Now tell me what are the values given in this question. What is A value? Respond. All of you respond. A is equals to 1. Next, can we find the difference? D is equals to 2. Yes, 3 minus 1 is 2, right? 2. N value is not given, students. 41 is not the n value. We don't know which position 41. Look here. 1 is in the first position, 3 is in the second, 5 is in the third, 7 is in the fourth. Like that, we don't know which position 41 lies in. We don't know the position. Okay. What are the things required to find sum? Look at the formula and tell me what are the 4 things required to find sum of the value. Look at the formula, all of you. What are the 4 things we need? N value, next, and D value. We just need these 3, right? But according to this question, N is given, D we are able to find. What about N? Is it possible? Response, students. N is not given, right? So if you directly try to use this formula, you won't get the answer. You won't get. This 41 is nothing but T of N value. Okay, T of N value. This is T of N. Remember this. Now, in order to find the sum, you can't use this formula to find the answer. Before this, we need N is missing here. N is missing. So what you do is, first let us use T of N formula to find N value. T of N is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now tell me what is T of N, students. T of N is, respond all of you all. 41 is equals to, what is A value? 1 plus, difference is 2 minus, sorry, N value is not given. N minus 1, difference is 2. When you solve this, you get 41. If you want, you can shift this minus 1 is equals to, open the bracket, 2n minus 2. Through this, you'll get the value of n. Later, we can substitute and find for S of n. 40 minus 2 goes to the other side plus 2. n is equals to 40 plus 2 is 42 divided by 2. N is equals to 21. Is it clear till here? All of you understood? Any doubts? No doubts, right? So it is clear, students. We got the value of n. Now, remember, whenever you find n value using t, there are two concepts. You can directly substitute, you'll get the answer. Or there is one more short trick. Can you tell me the formula? What is that? N by 2 into a plus l, right? What's the formula? A plus l? No, there is no into d. There's a separate formula for this to find the sum. When you find the t of n value, students, when you find n value, there are two ways. You can directly use here, or there is one more formula. What is it? What did I give? N by 2 into a plus l. You can even use this formula. Okay, let me use the first formula. S of n is equals to this. N by 2. 21 divided by 2 into 2. A value is 1 plus n value is 21 minus 1 into 2. I'll use the first formula, the red one. So 21 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 plus. What is 20 into 2 is? 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. We are getting 42 here. 2 ones are 221. What is 21 into 21? What's the answer, students? 441. So the sum of numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus whatever numbers up to plus 41, it is 441. Look, for both you get the same answer. 441. Use the same concept. Instead of doing it such a lengthy way, remember this is only when n is not given, students. When n is not given, always go with t of n. After that, you can use the first or second. Let me use the second one. 21 divided by 2 into a plus l. A plus l is nothing but the first term and the last term. What is the first term in the question? What's the first term? 1 plus. L stands for the last term. What is the last term? 41. So here L or Tn, both are same. The meaning is same. In some textbook, they would have given a plus Tn. Even that is also same. Tn or L is basically last term, students. 21 by 2 into 41 plus 1 is 42. 2 ones are to 21. 21 into 21 is 441. Understood all of you all? Is it clear? Any doubts? No doubts, right? That's it. Okay, it is very clear, students. Right? What are the terms given? Now see, when we start solving questions, it would be so easy to solve. So remember, whenever n is not given, if they ask you to find sum, use the second formula. Find t of using t of n, find n value. Once you use n, use this. This is the second. Now what's the sum we got? All of you tell me the answer. What's the sum? Sum is equals to 441. Sum is equals to 441. Now, what is n value? What is n, students? N is 21. Next type of question, what they would give is, next type of question, S of n is equals to, this is the second formula we have, a plus l. Last concept, concentrate, last concept. Then we'll start solving the remaining question. We got the sum, students. What is the sum? 441. The last second type of question, what they'll give this pattern 1 3 5 7 41. Here, tell me what are these values. One is what? A is equals to 1. B is equals to, again, how much? 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 1 is 2. What is this 41? 41 is T of n value. T of n value is 41. What is missing in this, students? What is missing? N value is missing, right? N value is missing. So this 41 you can take it as T of n or L. L or 41, the meaning is same. N is missing. The next type of question is, they'll give all this, they'll give you the sum value. Sum is equals to 441. This is the next type of question. Okay. They'll give you an entire question like this. Along with that, they'll also mention sum value. They'll tell us to find n, number of terms. Along with this, they'll give sum is equals to 441. Okay, sum is equals to 441. You can use the first formula or second formula, you'll get the answer. Let us use the second formula. What is sum value? What is S of n value given in the question? S of n is 1. We don't know what is n. We'll just keep as it is. What is the A stands for first term? 1. L stands for the last term. What is L? Be quick, students. It is getting late. What is L? 41. 441 is equals to n divided by 2. 41 plus 4 is 42. 2 ones are 221, right? 441 is equals to 21n. If you want to find the value of n, what happens to 21? Answer is 21. Basically, only 5 things, students. It is like a rotation, like a circle. You keep on doing the same stuff again and again. All of you understood what is AP? Arithmetic progression? The same thing. You have to keep rotating it again and again. You keep doing the same thing. Okay, now I'll tell you the difference. When to use, whenever they ask n formula, when they give Sn formula. When they give Sn, look. This is the question given. Instead of 1, 3, 5, 7, 41, they can just give 1 and 41. So, the question is, these two numbers are in AP. A sequence of number is in AP. The first number is 41, last number is 41. First number is 1, last number is 41, and their sum is 441. This is the question given. Out of these two formulas, which formula can we use? The first or second, and give me the reason. Which one can we use? This one or this one? Unmute the call and answer, all of you all. Second one. S of n is given for both, right? For both S of n is given. But what is missing? A value is also given. S of n is also given. What is missing? Yes, response, students. What is missing? Why can't we use the first formula? What's the reason? Is it given? How is the difference given? Difference is not given. How do you find difference, Naomi? For difference, you should have any two continuous numbers, right? Okay, fine. Okay, difference is given in that formula. Fine. So difference is there, and here there is no difference. That's the difference between these two formulas. Fine. You can't use the second one, students. Difference is not given. I forgot. The question is like this. Like this. Even 41 also will not be given. The number starts with 1 and the sum is 441. 135, students. 135. Dot. That's it. They didn't mention any other values. Now tell me which formula can we use? All of you will unmute and answer. First or second one? First one. Are we able to find A value? S of n is also given. What about D? D is how much? Do we have all the values except n? Do we have all the values to substitute and find? This is how you find. Why can't we use the second formula, Naomi? Now you tell me, why can't we use the second formula? What is missing? In second formula, not difference. L value. Do you think last value is given here? L is missing, not difference. I'm not asking, don't compare the formulas and tell me D is present, L is missing. Not like that, Naomi. According to the question, value is missing. According to question, L is not given, right? R term is missing. Okay. That's it, students. These are the total concept we have. But one or two extra topics might be there. But as per your syllabus, these are the topics. Any doubts so far? Whatever I've taught? Joanna, Mariana, did you all understand? Is Joanna online? Joanna, Mariana? Okay, I've taught you all so much, students. In spite of that, Joanna has left the meeting. If you're not concentrating, you're not doing, it's left up to you all. Okay. Look. And one more, that is this one, the reverse question. It's the same concept, reverse question. Fine. Up to 17 we have done this. 18, 19, 20. Just for now we don't need to solve 18, 19, 20. Once we complete all the exercise, someone remind me. I'll solve this 18 to 21. Okay, 18 to 21. We'll continue with this question. Look, I'll just quickly solve one. Find the sum. What is given? Okay, we'll do this later. We'll do the ninth one later. Before that, any one question. Shall we solve this first question? Seventh one? Response, student. Seventh question. 32 plus 30 plus 28 plus what else is given? Plus 10. Did they mention n value here? Like 12th term, 14th term, 19th term, have they mentioned? No. Then what are these numbers, students? A is how much? What about D? Tell me properly. What is 30 minus 32? Minus 2. Fine. If you want to find some value, what's the formula for S of n? N divided by 2 into. Yes, respond all of you all. N divided. Just a minute. Yes, tell me, Naomi. 2a, not 2a. Tell me the formula. Yes, some formulas. What's the answer, formula? N by 2 into. Or 2a. Yes, tell me. 2a plus into d. Right? Fine. In order to find the sum, n value is required, right? We need n value. Is n value given? If n is not given, we use t of n to formula, students. T of n value. What is t of n formula? A plus n minus 1 into t. What is t of n value? What's the last value given? 10. T of n is also known as, the last value is also known as T of n. 10 is equals to A is 32 plus n minus 1 into, what is D, Naomi? Minus 2. All of you will complete this, try this question. Yes, after trying this, substitute. There are two formulas for to find the sum, students. Substitute and find the answer. After break, I'll start the next concept, next one. minus 2n plus 2. In some method, if you're finding Tn value, use the second one. Use the second formula directly. And shift this. 32 plus 2 plus 10 will go to the other side, become minus 10. This is what I had given for test. Similar like this. Tell me the answer, students. 32 plus 2 minus 10. What did you all get? 34 minus 10. 24 divided by 2 is? Yeah, don't use the first formula. It is lengthy. You can use both. Okay, but use the second formula. S of n is equals to 12 divided by 2. A value is 32 plus last value is 10. Solve this, you'll get sum. Every year they are repeating AP and GP. These type of questions only you get. AP and GP questions. And both have improved a lot. Ivania and Tanishka, the way they are doing the questions. Ivania, one question you didn't do that, right? Sent it, okay. And probability question was the only difference, students. Tanishka also couldn't do trigonometry, even Ivania didn't do. Both of you have done only half. Probability was a simple question, Tanishka. You didn't understand that? Those are the types of question they're asking from past 3-4 years, and Ivania was able to do. So I've been seeing from the past 3-4 tests, only all both are scoring. Like only 1 or 2 marks difference. If you're scoring 41, 42, 42, 43. Okay, it shows the more you'll concentrate and how consistent you'll send homework, attend regularly and answering. Even your answers are also good. Yes, tell me what's the answer, students? 6 into 12, 20. What's the answer? 252. Okay, so what pattern is this following? Can you tell me this question? 32 plus 30 plus 28. What will be the other number? Can you see the pattern, students? How many number is decreasing? After 2. After 28, what should be the next one? 28 minus 2 is, you should have got 26. So the question here was the sum of all these numbers, 32 plus 30 plus 28 plus 26. The next again minus 2, 24 plus 22 plus 20, 18, 16, 14 plus 12. What's the last number we have, students? Last number is up to 10, right? Okay, if I add everything, 252. We're getting the answer 252. So sometimes these are advanced concept. You'll have even in 11th, 12th engineering, where even to use calculator it would be tough. It would be very lengthy. Without calculator you can find the answers. Okay, let's try this 8th one after break. It is 7:50. We'll continue after break. Okay, take 10 minutes break, all of you. We'll continue at 7 o'clock. Okay, whoever wants can leave, students, and whatever. Yes, students, all of you online. Shall we start? Next one. Kenya. Okay. Lamula. What about Haryana? Look at the next ones. To see next one onwards, it might seem to be confusing, but it is very easy topic. You should think practically. Okay, think and solve. Look at this eighth, ninth question. Is any value given there? What do we need to find, students? Read the question. Find the sum of how many digits? Natural numbers. How many digits? Two digit natural number. Natural number starts from which one? One, two. Tell me all the numbers. One, two, three. See, only if you'll respond, they will be able to know how much you'll have understood. If you'll are silent like this, okay, 4, 5, it goes on, right? Up to, what do you mean by two digits? What is the last two digit number? Last two digit number. Use your common sense, use your brain and answer. What is three digit number? Marianne is giving 10, Naomi copying the same thing and answering 10. Find the sum of all two digit numbers, two digit natural number, students. First respond, first read the question properly. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3. Up to, you can't keep writing all the values. What is the last two digit number we are? They've told us to add all two digit natural numbers. What is the last two digit number we have? 99. After 99, what do we get? After 99, you get three digit. Do we need to consider 100? From 1, 2, 3, 4, 99. But even this is not exactly what they've meant, students. In these numbers, what is the second part they mentioned? Yes, divisible by 5. Now we'll check. Is 1 divisible by 5? What do you mean by divisible? When you divide a number, the answer should be, remainder should be 0, right? Oh. Now tell me all the numbers which are divisible by 5, students. In this 1 to 99, what are the numbers divisible by 5? 5, 10, 20. What is the last? We can't keep writing everything. At least through 5, 10, 15. By this divisible rule, we got to know the difference. Understood how to find difference? What is B in this? B in this? What is B? 5. What is A? 5. If they tell 99, don't take up to 90. 99 is not divisible. What comes before 99 which is divisible by 5? Very good. You have to take up to 95. What is our last number? 95. So last number is 95. But we need to find the sum. Now tell me sum formula. In this, is n value given, students? Is n value given? No, right? Don't know how many terms are there. So in order to find n value, we have to use T of n formula first. Did all of you understood? Did you understand how to write? Well, Joanna to log in. Joanna, when did you rejoin, Joanna? Why didn't you tell? I've started new topic. You attended and you're just silent. I don't know when you left the class. When did you leave the class? When you sent the message? Till which topic you attended? In that, I taught around 5 to 6 topics, Joanna. Okay. See, whatever it is, if you have understood, fine. If not, just skip, Joanna. Just skip this. Because when you rejoin, you should let me know. You should answer. You're just silent, not answering. Okay, what is T of n, students? How do you find n value? Joanna, tell me the formula for T of n. N value is not given. What is T of N formula? Into D. What is T of N? You have to take the last value. What is the last value? 95. A value is 5. Did you understand this logic? What I was explaining now? I didn't even know that you were there. Did you understand this? Which question are we solving in this? Which question? Which question, Joanna? Okay, tell me the value. N value is not given. We'll keep it as it is. -1. What is D? D is also. All of you all understood? Will you try this, students? Will you all complete it? After finding the value of N, find sum. What is sum of N formula? N divided by 2 into A plus L. Complete it. Yes, what's the answer, students? N is equals to substitute 19 divided by 2. First number is 5 plus last number 95. Whoever has textbook, can you just check the answer? From ninth onwards, everything is important. Whatever we are solving now, everything is related to board exam. If it is wrong, I think we should consider even one. Just check the answer. Is it correct? Okay. 1 minute, Naomi. What's the answer we are getting here? What's the answer in textbook? 9? 9 what? 18. You should get N as 18. Is it ninth question? Can you just check ninth? Okay, where did we go wrong? Find the sum of all two-digit natural numbers divisible by 5. So we took 5, 10, 15, 20. Calculation 5, n minus 1. Difference is 5. 95 is the last. Two-digit number, right? Two-digit. Yes. So if it is two-digit, okay. I will done this calculation. All of you all completed. All of you all got 950. Fine. 950. It's wrong. You should get 940. 945, right? What's the value, Naomi? 945. 945. Okay. Now, which number did we take, students? I have written the values here. Look here. I'll read the question again. Find the sum of all two-digit natural number starts from 1 and two-digit is only till 99. Don't take 100. 99. Divisible by 5. So what are the numbers we took? We started from, respond all of you all. We started from 5, 10, 15, right? Up to what number we took? Up to 95. We are supposed to take even 1. Okay, start from 1. 1, 5, 10, 15, 95. Now the entire equation will change. What is Tn value? See, if it is divisible by 5, students, the meaning of divisible by 5 is 5 times table. But still you don't get 1. Let me try this. 1 plus 95, n minus 1 into d is 5. Just a minute. 94 is equals to 5n minus 5. So what we did was correct. 5 times table. Just a minute, students. Tenth chapter. Here, two-digit number was given. We have started from 1. Okay. Once again, these are the numbers 1 to 99 students. 1 to 99, find the sum of all two-digit natural numbers divisible by 5. Even 5 should have two-digit numbers. That's the concept. How did we start? Can you all answer this? All of you unmute. What are the numbers we took, students? We started from 5, 10. Respond. All of you respond. 15, 20, up to which one? In this, I missed out a concept. All two-digit natural numbers, which is divisible by 5. So which one should I consider? 5 or 10? If it is two-digit, you have to start from 10, students. We took from 5. That's the reason the answer is wrong. You start from 5. Start from 10. 10 is a two-digit number. We'll use the same formula here. All of you understood now? I did a mistake. If it's two-digit, you're not supposed to consider 5. You should start from 10. Okay, I'll write it again. They told natural numbers, two-digit natural number. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 up to 99. In this, we need to take 5 divisible by 5. Two-digit divisible by 5. Okay, so natural number, all two-digit natural numbers. All two-digit. Okay, even two-digit doesn't start from one student. What is the lowest two-digit number? All of you respond. What's the lowest two-digit number we have? 10. So 10, 11, 12 up to 99. This is the concept. Okay, forgot to write from 10 we start, not from 1. Even if it is natural number, they have asked us to find all two-digit numbers. Two digit starts from 10. Up to 9 it is one digit. So start from 10. In this, what are the numbers divisible by 5, students? 10, 15, 20 up to which one? Up to 90. No, 9. So 95 is the last number, T of n value. 95 is equals to A is 10. First value is 10. Don't take it as 1 or 5, that is one digit number. If they hadn't mentioned two digit here, if they didn't mention two digit, what we did previously was correct. Find the sum of all natural numbers divisible by 5. That's the only difference. Here I missed out the two digit meaning. So two digit starts from 10, 10, 15, 20 up to 95. A plus n value as it is into difference is 5. 95 is equals to 10, open the bracket, 5n minus 5. So 95, 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, if you shift it to the other side, you get minus 5 is equals to 5n. What's the value of n, students? What's the value of n? N is equals to, how many times it goes? It goes 18 times. Right? S of n is equals to 18 divided by 2. First number is 10 plus last number is 95. 18 divided by 2 into 105. 2 ones are 2 nines are. 9 fives are 45. 940. Is it 945, Naomi? 945 is the answer. Yeah, just strike out the previous value, students. It is also previous was almost right. Instead of taking two digit, I have taken the single digit 5. Start from two digit. Anyways, if they don't mention the two digit word, do it like the previous question, previous value, what we did. Therefore, sum is equals to 945. Be quick, we'll solve another two questions. By Thursday, we have to complete this. So after this, the geometric progression, equation of a straight line. December. Yes, students done, completed. Be quick. Lemula, did you understand? Mariana, Lemula. If the word two digit is not given, include five students. If it is single digit, you can include even five. Okay, so maximum only these two types of question you will get. Two digit question, if not single digit. If it is single digit, five. Shall we try the next one? Joanna done. Ivania, Joanna, Naomi. Okay, they will not ask three digit number. The reason is the calculation will become too lengthy. If they ask three digit number, what's the starting value you have to take for three digit number? All of you will answer. What's the least three digit number we have? 100. Respond all of you. What's the least three digit number? 100, right? And what is divisible by 5 meaning? 100. After that, you have 105. Up to which number? Last number. Which is the four digit number we have? It is 1000. Before 1000, what we get? 995, not 99, Mariana. Triple number is very good. Triple number is 999. Divisible by 5 is 990. Maximum 2 by that task. If it is 3, understand the logic, students. Understand the logic. If you don't know this logic, you all will end up taking from 5, like what I did. You'll take 5, 10, 15. In spite of solving, we spent 10, 15 minutes, but the answer was wrong. Okay, so maximum 2 digit. If not, if it is 3 digit, do it like this. Next question. What is given? Next one. Find the sum of all even numbers. Okay, what are all the even numbers, students? Have they given one digit, two digit? Did they mention anything? Respond, all of you all. 10th question. Can you respond? Find the sum of what? All even numbers between 10 and 100. 10 and 100. What do you mean by between, students? If they give the word between, you shouldn't consider 10 and 100. In between them, what are the even numbers? Should I start from 11 or 12? Yes, tell me. Should I start from 11 or 12? What are even numbers between 10 and 100? I should start from 12. And they haven't mentioned two digit, three digit, nothing. Instead of that, they have told 10 to 100. They have given limit. What's the even number which comes before 100? Be quick, all of you all. What's the even number which comes before 100? 90? 98, you want, don't, 98? So 12 to 98, students, you have to add 12 to 98. A is equals to 12. We need to find the value of n. D is equals to 14 minus 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. T of n value is equals to 98. Last value is given. Solve this question. T of n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into 2. 98 is equals to, first value is 12 plus n is not given, minus 1 into 2. Find the value of n, substitute in this formula. The students completed. What is n value? Okay, substitute 38. Yeah, be quick. Last one. You get 19 into. Is it 19 into 110? So what's the answer? 2090. But the answer is 2420. Have we gone wrong? Is the calculation right, Evania? Is it 38? Let me check. Where have we gone wrong? Check this calculation. All of you got 38. 98 is equals to 12 plus 2n minus 2. Tell me the calculation, Ivania. 12 minus 2 is 10. 98 is equals to 10 plus 2n. If 10 goes to the other side, you get 8 divided by 2 is. How did you get 38? What? No, you can't shift. 2 is multiplied, right? See, that's the reason. Don't try to do any short tricks, shortcuts, Ivania. Don't follow any shortcuts, nothing. See, hardly how many minutes did it take? I mean, it took around 10 seconds extra to solve it like this. Hmm. So stick on to the basic, students. From 7th, 8th, what you are doing, stick on to that. Don't try to do, take it directly and solve. No mental max, nothing. Because of that one value, you will get 0. See, now 42. Let us substitute. 42 divided by 2 into, what is a value? 12 plus 98. What is 12 plus 98? Even that calculation will get. Respond. Is the answer correct? 110? Yes, the answer is 2420. All of you understood how to solve? 2420 is the answer, students. Correct answer. Okay. So try to stick on with the basics and solve. Don't skip any step. Even if it is single addition subtraction, do it properly and check the answer, students. Okay, it's board exam. If not, you'll score very less marks. Will you all try the 11th and 12th one for homework? All of you will read the question and try it. Sum of 15 values, find the sum of 20, write those values and find it.